I got truth, man, that I've had for about 6 months. Same thing, dead. Brand new phones, all dead. And I figured it out. I figured out what I needed to do to get them to boot up, and I just got them in the other day. I don't give up.
Okay.
You know, I keep thinking about old methods, and I keep mixing old methods with new methods.
Yeah, because look, I live in Lorain County.
Okay.
And people out there talk about this place too.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy shit. You know, I used to have a store out there.
Where's that?
42nd Street. You know Morales?
Yeah.
He used to be a cop.
Uh-huh.
Is he still a cop? He probably still is a cop. I don't know.
Wait, which Morales you talking about?
Emilio. He used to call me Mufasa. And there's the twins that were out there. I used to have I had a store out there for like 7, 8 years.
Oh shit.
Right there. It's the store. The store's still there, right there in the plaza.
Okay.
One of my boys owns it now.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. So people out there talk about this store. My son, he like, if they can't fix it, ain't nobody gonna be able to.
No shit. Oh, I appreciate
my son's
that.
an IT guy too. He runs all the IT for Bryan Stratton College.
Really?
Yeah, he graduated from Toledo University.
That's good to know.
And he told me, he said, make sure you go see him. He said, because if he can't fix it, ain't nobody gonna fix it.
No, I'll do my best. I'll do my best.
All right, bro. All right, so
I appreciate it.
I'll catch you, man. Have a happy New Year.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Stay safe.
You too. Thank you.
All right, bro.